Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today, uh, at this moment, this is a great pleasure for me to say something before you. Well, I will try my level best to deliver my short speech about today's topic, and today's topic is about the future of the earth. Well, the earth is changing rapidly. Climate change, pollution, population growth, and technology are shaping a future that can be full of promise or full of problems. Right now, the earth is facing serious challenges like global warming. Uh, Already, global temperature has risen by 1 degree Celsius since 18th century. The ice caps are melting, sea levels are rising, trees are being cut down, and oceans are being polluted. On the other hand, technology is also becoming more powerful. We are using cleaner energy sources like solar energy and wind power. The electric vehicles are becoming more famous, and space exploration is creating doors that some people believe in, that we can live in other planets in future. So overall, the future of the earth is in our hand. Uh, like we The future of the earth is in our hand. The future of the earth is not something that happening to us, but we are making by us right now. So in future, we should take care about our future. That's it for today. Thank you everyone for listening me patiently.